Who's that?
This is Letty. Hey guys, it's Cakes. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, a while, 2 months. I know I've been gone for a minute and I'm happy some of you missed me. I know like maybe 5 or 6 people are like, who is this? I follow her? Unsubscribe. But I'm so glad you guys missed me. I definitely missed YouTube. I know I haven't posted in a long time. Been going through some things. My laptop was broken. It's a whole lot of stuff was going down, but I'm back and I'm here for a wig review and I'm so happy. I've missed doing wig reviews so much and I know you guys missed my wig reviews too. And if you like this wig, I'm sorry, but I haven't filmed her review yet. But if you like this wig, go ahead and like this video. But this is not the wig we're talking about today. This is the Freetress Equal wig and her name is, if I can see, her name is Letty, and as you can see on the model, she's long, she's pretty, she's wavy, so I cannot wait. I've been wanting to actually buy this wig, but after talking to Ebonyline, which is sponsoring this video, so thank you Ebonyline. They said, oh yeah girl, we can send you this wig, sure. And I'm like, oh yay. So I've been wanting to try this wig and it looks so pretty in the videos I've seen, so let's take her out. So again, her name is Letty. She's in 1B and she has an L part, as you can see. Safe to use heat on her up to 400 degrees. So to bring back these curls that she has, you can use a curling iron or wand, whatever. I'm just trying to see the, oh, you see the part, oh, you see the part there? That actually looks good. I usually have to pluck, like, but this looks all right. I might pluck a little bit still, but this looks good. All right, let's free her. I'm living for these curls though. I just love waves like that. Hey, I love waves like this. This is so pretty. Oh my god. So this is how she looks. We got 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. None on the side. And as you can see, that lace part only is just the part that is lace. The rest of it is wig. I was going to wear this today and then just come to you guys and tell you what I think of her, but I think you guys like when I show you how I put her on my head straight out of the box, so I'm going to do that. And excuse me, I have a cold, so don't mind me and my sniffling. Sorry. Let's just see how she looks. I'm going to see how she looks on the mannequin head. See if I should pluck her a bit. She comes with little baby hairs, so that's cute. And they're actually really short, which I love, because, you know, baby hairs, I mean, I know they make them long so that you can customize them, but these are actually a pretty good length, almost the length I make my baby hairs, so this is perfect. Here's the part. This is how it looks. I'm just gonna hold her up like this. This is how the part is looking. This is actually pretty good. I've seen way worse, so I'm just gonna pluck her a little bit and then I'll be back.
It's my favorite.
Yeah. So I've customized her part. Oh wow. So I customized her part a little bit better so that it looks more realistic. I'm gonna comb her out just a little bit. Ooh. Look how bouncy. Yes. I love, oh no, my light went off. I really love romantic Hollywood curls, waves like this. You guys know this. So I'm gonna put her on so we can see how she looks and feels. I'm going to take this wig off and be bald for a second. So on the model, she's wearing it as a side part. It looks like, yeah, that's what it's meant to be, a side part. So I'm going to put her on. Oh boy, okay. She's really pretty. I wish my hair was a bit flatter underneath though, because she is a straighter wig and my cornrows are bulky, so she doesn't look as flat as she could be, but I'm going to try and make it work. I like the volume and body of it. It's really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and try and blend my baby hairs in with it. So guys, this is how she looks on, and she is so pretty. I ended up doing a middle part just because I used to not like middle parts, but now I've just been a fan of middle parts, and I don't know, it's just so classic. Just something classic about it. And this is how the part looks. I just use my baby hairs nowadays with synthetic wigs. I don't really use the wigs baby hair just because whatever the hair is made out of, it's hard to lay down sometimes with regular edge control. So I just use my own baby hairs and blend the wig in. But this hair is beautiful. It's soft. I love it. This is a shedding I have so far from brushing it out with my Denman brush, other than the shedding that I got from tweezing the part. But look at this, y'all. She's so bouncy and lively. Some people might get mad that I've like combed her out this much, but I like my wigs to look natural. I don't know about you. But this is so pretty to me. I think this is gorgeous. I think these curls are gorgeous. Like, I'm ready to go out. I'm ready to put some lashes on. You know, something. All I know is I'm not staying here. Looking this good. Honey. So this is how, like, look at this. This is so beautiful, and she's so soft. If I had felt this on someone else's head, I would have thought these were bundles. Like, this is real hair. That's how soft it is. I am not mad at this. This is exactly what I thought it would be, and I am so happy. And the curls just come back too after a while. They just form up again, which is great. That means it can keep its curl for a while, and I won't have to try and recreate these curls. I definitely don't know how to. But okay. So my final thoughts. This wig is beautiful. Definitely recommend it. I love it. If you're trying to make a statement with some wavy hair, this is definitely a statement. She is very long, as you can see, down to the booty. She is super wavy and romantic and bouncy and just dramatic, and she's so pretty. I love this hair. Oh my god, she's so cute. She is giving me life. Here it is from the back. Isn't she pretty? I love this hair. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so satisfied. She isn't too big head friendly. I really wish she had combs on the sides too, because I kind of just have to do that thing where I tuck the hair behind my ear. So I kind of wish she was one of those wigs where the whole front part is lace as well, so that I can better blend it in. I'd say she can be big head friendly as long as your hair is flat underneath, then she can work. My hair isn't that flat underneath, so I had to work with what I have. She's not laying as flat as she could be, but I made her as flat as possible. I just took a curling iron and ran it on the top of my head so she can kind of lay flatter. Tangles a little bit, but it's nothing. Like, it's not anything I can't handle. You just gotta break it apart with your fingers and then move on. But yeah, she's gorgeous. She is gorgeous. She is gorgeous. Yes. This is Letty, guys. Letty is litty, cause like I said, I'm ready to go out. I'm ready to put on some heels and just take myself somewhere, cause this is so cute, man. Look at her. So she is meant to be worn as a side part over here. Let me see where my comb is. Actually, my comb is like in the middle of my head, so she could be worn as either. I'd say you can get away with wearing her on either side as a side part. I think it works either way. I'm wearing her as a middle part right now. All you have to do is just slide the wig around. It's not drastic. It's not anything you can't handle, in my opinion. But I like her as a middle part. I'll probably do like side parts, but because of the way my hair is laid underneath, middle part looked best. But she is so cute, guys. She's so soft. I don't understand. It doesn't say that this is human hair blend, but she's so soft. Like, I would really mistake this for human hair. Wow. So again, this is Letty by Freetress from Ebonyline. This hair is so cute. Thank you, Ebonyline, for sponsoring this video, and I hope you guys liked this wig review, and I hope you guys like this wig. This wig is so cute. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this wig review. I know I've missed doing wig reviews, so if you guys have missed them too, make sure you like this video up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!